Cheers to those of you, the workers, the family man, the single mother, the people who continued to work, the people who got laid off and found ways to work, to the work from home people who braved through the bull phone calls every single day, to those people who had to find new places to live, those lives that were changed forever, all of you who found a way to make it work, who made it work, who continue to find ways to try to make it work, although things are maybe not working completely in their favor. As long as you're trying so hard to make your own dreams come true and taking accountability for your actions, I salute you. I drink to you. I appreciate you. You inspire me, and I hope that me, in my stupid little way, inspire you. I will never lie to you. I appreciate it, and I applaud you for getting through such a bullshit year. 2021 did not make things easier with going forward and then backing off and then opening up and then locking back down and then you having to do this, otherwise you couldn't do that. Whatever it was that was plaguing your existence, I hope that you found a way to figure it out and persevere through it and move towards a better place in your life. I hope that you were able to make the sacrifices needed that hopefully weren't too damaging to your soul so you could get to that better place. I'm sure there were challenges that you weren't expecting. I'm sure there were loved ones that questioned why you were trying so hard for these things that didn't make sense to them. Life never makes sense to oneself, let alone the existence of somebody else trying to figure out their existence. You're never going to know why you're truly here other than to find out why you're truly here. Cheers. My congratulations to you on a year that if you made it through and you didn't call yourself a victim, I congratulate you and I cheers to you in whatever language you see fit.
Is what I'm aiming at paradise itself? And the answer to that is no, because what do you know? You couldn't see paradise if it was right in front of you, but you might get a glimmer of it.
It feels like years since it's been here.